Hello, and welcome to this session focusing on when we have low amounts of stress. We all get stressed daily, but sometimes we aren't even aware that we are stressed. Stress doesn't have to be a thought or even a reaction. It could be sitting somewhere in your body, lingering as long as you're unaware of it. Think about a time when you were worried. Did this worry also make you feel drained or tired? That's because every time we're worried, we have a low level of stress present. And what causes stress is not worry, but our reaction to worry. Did you know that each human being has about 50,000 thoughts a day? If we believed all of these thoughts, we would surely get ourselves into trouble. So instead, realize that thoughts simply come and go. That our thoughts are not truly who we are. When we take a step back from all of these thoughts, we can observe them better and see them for what they are, just passing moments of thinking. Attaching too much emotion to one stressful thought can disrupt our day and even our entire lives. Let's step away now from our thoughts and worries by just becoming aware of our body. Close your eyes. Feel how the air around you hugs your shape. Notice how you willingly activate all of your senses and you begin to hear the sounds around you. Hear your own breath. When you breathe a little bit deeper, can you smell anything? You can even imagine you smell something, and your mind can create the thought of it for you. Imagine the smell of vanilla. Can you remember how it smells? Good. Now notice your fingertips and feel what are touching and feeling right now. And become aware of your feet. Notice how the soles of your feet feel right now. And just become aware of your entire body. Feeling different areas, stretching where you need to stretch, relaxing your gaze, your jaw, your shoulders. Becoming aware of your body through focusing takes you out of your thoughts. So use this technique when worry or light stress begins to rise in your mind. We react to worry because we believe that our fears are real. Did you know that 95% or more of our biggest worries don't even end up happening? We think of worry as bad, but actually, worries and fear are a very important part of our lives. Without worry, we wouldn't make the best decisions. Without worry, we might walk off a cliff without taking precaution. Our brains create worry to keep us on guard and alert. But some of us let worries carry away, allowing them to take over, putting stress in full control of our mind and body. Instead of letting doubts push us around and drain us, we can learn to use the worry to our advantage. Uneasiness can either become our greatest strength or our biggest weakness. So, let's gain control over the fears that cause stress. Instead of reacting to it, we will learn and become stronger from each time it arises. To do this, we need to identify where this emotion is located and bring awareness to it. Whenever it arises, we purposefully create space between it. Make sure you're in a comfortable position. Your legs can be crossed or uncrossed, but make your spine straight. You can keep your eyes open or closed. If you keep your eyes open, fixate on one spot and one point without looking anywhere else. Take a few deep breaths to relax even more. Bring into your mind a good emotion like excitement. Noticing in your body where you feel changes happening. Remember a time when you were really excited about something. It could be anything, no matter how small or big. Just vividly remember how it felt, where you felt it in your body, and how did you move? What changes do you notice? Think about where exactly this feeling of excitement is located. Is it in your stomach or in your chest? Maybe it moves around and doesn't stay in one place. Get familiar with this feeling. You can change the way you're feeling in your body at any time by remembering an experience. By remembering an experience of excitement or joy. Your body creates the feeling as if it's happening right now. Use this knowledge of how excitement makes your body feel and how easy it is to bring back as you'd like to feel that feeling. Now, we're going to create a worrisome feeling consciously. And there's no need to be afraid or to avoid this feeling. Worry is a natural human emotion. Avoiding it is what creates discomfort and additional stress. So remember a time when you felt worried. Some moment in life where stress took full control, and locate this emotion. Where do you feel it? Right now, you are in control. Being aware of this feeling right now is what creates the space that you need. Just see this emotion as it is, a simple sensation in your body, that has no power in itself. It lingers, sometimes in one place, or it moves around. Now, with this feeling of stress, bring back that feeling of excitement. Notice how we all can change the way we feel when we focus on different things. As vividly as possible, bring that feeling of excitement into your body. Remember when you were absolutely full of thrill, that little mattered to you, except for this joy. Remember how it made you so excited you couldn't stay still, and this strong energy was flowing all through your body. Now notice all the different sensations in your body. Notice any changes happening. Put your awareness within you to see exactly what's happening. You probably forgot about stress, and maybe you feel less of that worry sensation. It might even feel a little pleasant or strange, but it's not in control of you. See it for what it is, an emotion that's here to protect and care about you. You can see that there's no need to escape worry. It's all about the shifting perspective. Stress can leave just as easily as it comes. It could stay for a short time, or it could stay for a long time. It is up to you to find ways to cope with that stress. So anytime you're faced with worries, remember these techniques and meditations like these and implement them so that you can make it through your day without the big burden of stress. Well done on today's meditation. Thank you for joining. Thank you for stopping and making this a part of your day. And I'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves.